Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer with Party with Favor, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little fall scarecrow out of paint sticks. Add this little cutie to your Thanksgiving dinner table as a festive gift for your friends and family members. If you are going to give gifts to your guests, give them something worth keeping. Give them a lifelong memory. Here's what you will need: my free design that you can download, printer paper, a sponge or paintbrush, a printer, a 1-gallon paint stick, a 5-gallon paint stick, a pencil, a glue gun, glue sticks, acrylic paint, a clamp, a saw, scissors, a tape measure, transfer paper, tape, colored Sharpies, twine, and a magnet. To start, click on the link below to access this free pattern along with my other free project resources. Print the pattern on regular paper. Now go ahead and cut one of the faces out with scissors and set it to the side. Take a 5-gallon paint stick and measure and mark it at 5 inches in length. Take the 1-gallon paint stick and measure and mark it at 3 inches long. Using a saw, cut the sticks along your marks. Now it is time to paint. I have used dark brown acrylic paint for the scarecrow's hat and a light tan for its face. Feel free to use whatever colors that you desire. When the paint finishes drying, take your pattern and a small piece of transfer paper. Lay the transfer paper on top of the face section of your painted stick with the darker side pointed down. Please note, the transfer paper is one-sided. You can test the transfer paper on a scratch piece of paper if needed. Now, place the printed face pattern on top of the transfer paper. Make sure that the printed design is lined up properly with your stick. I recommend taping it in place. Take a pencil and trace the pattern. Once the face is showing on your stick, go ahead and retrace the lines with your colored Sharpie markers. Create the Scarecrow's hat by gluing the smaller stick onto the top of the larger one, as shown. Glue pieces of twine onto the back of the hat and also glue it beside the face. Now your Scarecrow has hair. You can add a little dimension to your hat by drawing a few lines across it with a black Sharpie marker. For the last step, take a magnet strip that is approximately 2 inches long and attach it to the back of your Scarecrow. If you like this party favor suggestion, like and subscribe below. God bless you and your upcoming event.